Cycling is probably one of our more popular adventures here in Talbot County. Cycling is a big part of our community. It's a big tourism part of our community. It's so easy to cycle in the area. The community is very cycling friendly.
Within 5 minutes of riding, you can be out on empty country roads. You can be out in beautiful scenery. It's really a great place to ride. Wide open roads most of the time and wide shoulders on even the most populated roads.
The riding here in Talbot County is really diverse. We've got some great farm country trails riding out towards Queen Anne, Cordova, down towards Trapp. We've got 6 different trails here on our Talbot County bike map, so it covers all the areas of Talbot County. Probably our most popular route that we have, and we've got folks that come in from around the country to ride this, is from our Easton, Oxford, and St. Michael's loop. It's about a 30-mile loop. Start in Easton, easy, leisurely 10-mile ride down towards St. Michael's. Great little shops there in St. Michael's, restaurants. Gives you that nice little break, jump back on the bike, a quick little ferry ride over to Oxford. And also a great ride from St. Michael's down to Tillman. Gets you all the way to the ending to Tillman Island and really kind of see what all the county's got to offer.
I'm Captain Judy Bixler. The ferry is a special part of Talbot County's biking routes. We often have people come aboard the ferry for a break on a 100-mile ride. We have people who come and bring their children and go across, go to the playground and come back again. That's the nice part about the ferry. It gives you a break. It's all part of the ambiance of Talbot County. It's really an honor to be able to have everyone come aboard the ferry. We love to meet people from all over the world.
I have a lot of friends who have come here to cycle, and they come here specifically because we have wide, empty roads with not a lot of traffic on it.
We encourage people from everywhere to come visit Talbot County and ride on bicycles, come on the ferry. There's so much to do in our county.
Come to Talbot County and enjoy and see why everybody loves the cycling here.